Another box. Yes. That's another InfoGlobe. Have I gone mad? No. Of course, as you see up there, there's running up there. And you can see change colors. So, I got another unicorn. Why? I don't know. I think I'm going to rebuild this one. Because I have no idea how long it's been running. I'm going to change all of the LEDs. The blues, the greens, and the reds. And then I'm going to put a battery mod in it. So you don't have to put glaze in it. And then when I'm done, I'm going to ship it off to somebody for their birthday. Because I think they're going to like that kind. Because they said they need that kind. So, we're going to make that happen. So I was on Fleabays, or Upays, and these things don't come up very often. And for the ones that do, they have a tendency to go into a bidding war. Let me tell you, one of these contraptions went into a bidding war. It started at like $33. By the time it was all said and done, the price was $135 for a second-hand InfoGlobe for a unicorn. Black one, or smoke one, tricolor, real tricolor. Ridiculous. So, there was a bunch of people on eBay trying to get that thing. Guess what? Nobody got it. Because the highest bidder, he didn't pay. So a few days later, the flipping thing's back on eBay for its start price again for $33. So that guy got probably banned from eBay for non-payment and pissing everybody off. And then there's another one of these things that, you know, at the time of this recording, there was two. So time goes on, these things pop up, so I got one. So I've been looking around for one that's not so beat up and is actually in good condition. It's got your normal, you know, cleaning scuffs and moving around scuffs and stuff like that. But in overall, it's actually in pretty good condition. So that's a good sign. You know, and then check out to see if there's any batteries in it. No batteries in it, so that's good. Because there'll never be another battery in here ever again, because I'm going to do a battery mod. So the question is, does it work? Let's find out. On the globe here, so I'll use my little hackery here and unplug that. Spark wires together. That's fantastic. So we'll plug that in. Get this plugged in. It's got some schmutz in there that needs to be cleaned. I can see that hanging off. We got the red. Got the green. Got the blue. So we got another true unicorn. Olympia. InfoGlobe. And from what I've seen, it looks like it's got a fair amount of hours on it. Because the blues, it's readable, but it's kind of dim. And of course, you know, depending how long this thing's been running, you know, all the colors have probably got equal amount of time on them. The green, the red, and the blue. So we're going to be doing a complete rehab of this one. And then I'll put a battery mod in it. And then I'm going to ship it off to somebody for their birthday present. Which is, for me, it's going to be several months away. So I got plenty of time to tinker around and rebuild this thing and clean it up and put the battery mod in it, and then put my little decal on the underside here that says batteries no longer needed. So I know one thing, somebody didn't check their battery compartment. They see the little note in there. So that's that. So I'll have another video series of going completely through this thing. It's going to be redoing the right angle solder joints and putting all brand new LEDs on there. So let's see, I think there's what, 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 16, 24 new LEDs, blue, green, and red. And then this thing will be in good shape for many, 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 many years. Until, you know, the thing dies or blows up or gets dropped or burns to the ground. Or it just quits working. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for this video series coming up. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.